high-reliability cable assemblies from Pasternack offer a superior combination of high-grade materials, processes, workmanship, and comprehensive test reporting. These assemblies have traditionally been built to a specification using a build-to-print model, and this can take upwards of 12 weeks for cables to be delivered. However, Pasternack is changing the paradigm. We have all the required components in stock, off the shelf. Our Hi-Rel assemblies are built to your requirements and shipped same day from our Cable Center of Excellence here in Irvine, California. Pasternack offers two high-reliability grade cable types, mil DTL-17 and temperature-conditioned low loss. Pasternack's M17 coax has been certified to meet the performance standards of the mil DTL-17 specification. This standard is the most complete for cables used in high-reliability applications, describing the construction, performance, and testing requirements for mil DTL-17 coaxial cable design. We offer multiple M17 cable types. Pasternack's M17 single or double shielded cables have passed several levels of inspection to be included on the qualified products list for the Department of Defense. These cables are rated to a maximum frequency of 12.4 gigahertz and are cut to meet your specific length requirements. The second type of Hi-Rel cable offered by Pasternack is a high-performance, low-loss coax that is thermally cycled prior to assembly. The temperature-conditioned offering includes triple-shielded, low-loss PTFE tape-wrapped dielectric cables. Thermal conditioning means the cables are cycled multiple times in a temperature chamber, from minus 55 degrees Celsius to plus 125 degrees Celsius. This pre-ages the cable and serves to increase the electrical and mechanical stability of the finished product. Temperature conditioning is a standard specification for cables used in non-mil DTL-17 high-reliability coaxial cable assemblies. These triple-shielded low-loss cables are rated to a maximum frequency of 18 gigahertz. The expanded PTFE Teflon incorporates air into the dielectric, typically by wrapping a PTFE tape during the manufacturing process. The trapped air serves to lower the dielectric constant and thereby reduce cable loss. Because these are non-mil DTL-17 cables, Pasternack provides detailed data sheets with specifications to document their high-reliability performance characteristics. Hi-Rel assemblies also need to consider the connector type. Pasternack's mil-spec cable assemblies only use M39012 connectors and include any combination of SMA, BNC, TNC, or Type N. These connectors have passed several levels of inspection and meet the mil standard 348 interface specification requirements to be included on the qualified products list for the Department of Defense. Pasternack's temperature-conditioned assembly series use high-reliability grade captivated stainless steel connectors. This includes any combination of SMA, TNC, or Type N connectors. Our captivated stainless steel connectors are of the very highest quality and have special internal features that lock the center contact from forward and backward movement. This contributes to electrical and mechanical integrity in stressful and harsh environments. Thanks for watching. Visit us online at Pasternack.com to configure and customize your Hi-Rel cable assemblies and have them shipped today.